All right, here we go. Join me for a snapshot of our first annual girls trip to Punta Cana, Dominican Republic. We stayed on the Grand Palladium Resort, stayed on the adult side TRS. Hello, ladies.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Nice to meet you. Yeah.
Once everybody said hello and did our introductions for those who didn't know each other, we got everyone checked into their rooms. Each of us were booked into a junior suite pool view room. And here is a tour of mine. Each building comes with a butler, so anything you need, you just give them a call and they will assist you. You have free room service here as well. Our room had a pool view, which was nice.
This is without anxiety pills, blood pressure medicine. We're going to have a good day. We're going to zip line. We're going to play with some monkeys. We're going to jump in the cave. All for Melissa's 42nd birthday.
No, all for the girls trip.
All for the girls trip.
All for the girls trip.
Where the shots at? This is for the girls trip.
This is day one, getting ready for our first escape.
Shot. And I don't mean coffee. I don't mean coffee. Brown, look at me. Oh, Lord. We are checking in at skate park. Getting excited.
The park had animals that you can take pictures with. This monkey was so funny. This is a pool area where you can zip line into the water. We were having trouble trying to decide if we wanted to walk inside of this cave. The park attendant assured us there weren't any bats in there, so we decided to go in and check it out.
Lord have mercy.
The waterfall was beautiful. Everyone learned from my mistake, so they decided to crawl down into the water.
All right, who's next?
Come on, guys, slide down.
Come on.
Start up low. It's okay. So you might as well sit down. Sit down.
Yeah, sit down,
Sit down and do it. Trust
or
me.
you gonna fall and bust your tail like I did.
Now I'm on my phone.
The water was really cold, but it felt good. Already on standby, waiting to take pictures, and the pictures did come out.
We real. We in a concert right now. She's watching.
Melissa, you going the wrong way. Everybody sway.
All right.
Sway. There you go. Yay. Hey.
Don't know how we stumbled.
Good job.
Throughout the park, they had these posters up, so it was very educational. We visited the enclosure for the iguanas, and then we went down to the cenote. It was absolutely gorgeous down there, but we didn't get in the water because The ground of it just seemed to be a little too rocky for us. Then they decided they wanted to try the rope runner. I wasn't that brave.
What happened? Why you came back? And Melissa's on her way back.
Oh, they can see all.
First of all, you got to use this to get through a maze, and it's hard. It ain't easy.
So what's up there? Y'all gotta go through.
They got tires.
Yeah, it's hot. It go all
It's
the way.
broken. You got military Melissa ready to turn around, okay? Military Melissa's turning around. I got up the steps and saw the first thing, and I just turned around. Okay. Auntie, right here.
This was so funny to me and so scary.
No shade. I'm good.
This was a different group that we kind of just started hanging out with.
It just wasn't it.
Everybody came back down. They said that there was no way they were going to do that. We had dinner at this Japanese and Peruvian combo type place. The food was pretty good and the ambiance was on point. And then this happened.
The whole island just lost electricity while we were at dinner.
The lights came back on pretty quickly.
It's normal to them to keep going.
Within probably 60 seconds, it was back on. On another day, we took a buggy. On this excursion, we visited another cenote. This one was 25 feet deep, so we were not.
Azúcar. The cinnamon stick, la canelita. Dry orégano for pizza. También tenemos orégano para la pizza, para la carne. And the green tea, if you want to look sexy, you get like the green tea. Okay, Evelyn, va a ser como yo, finito.
Place where they sell marijuana, and this is what they're trying.
Not marijuana.
I took some behind the scene videos of them having their photo shoot. They finally got their shots in. I had a really nice time with these ladies.
New friendships.
Yeah.
Aww.
Thank you.
For putting this together. This trip was well needed. Yes. And we thank you so much. It is such a pleasure meeting you
In person.
Thank you for introducing us to her, our new travel agent, our real estate agent, our pastor,
Our friend, all of that.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh, that is so funny.
Thank you.
Oh. Bye. Until next year. To say goodbye to yesterday. We want to see you next year with us in Aruba 2027. Hopefully we see you there.